parking level 5. Gotta try harder than that. I'm just saying.
That's right.
This be a cool, some cool photo ops over here. Oh, the security guard.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, hey, we're leaving. I was like, we're just leaving. We're just hanging out. No, we're just kind of hanging out. We'll take off, though.
What?
No, we were just kind of hanging out. Oh,
Oh.
no.
You guys aren't in trouble for being up here because I'm up here.
Oh, well, that's fair. We were just kind of hanging out, looking, so.
I'm just saying, like, if you want to take a couple pictures, by
Oh.
all means, I'm just going to have to stay up here with you because
Okay.
I'm behind you.
Oh, I gotcha.
That's fair. Cool. No, I think we're just. You want to take a few?
No, I'm okay. Like I said, I've never been up here, so I was just kind of curious, but...
Like I said, I'm not upset. I just saw you guys come up. I'm like,
Cool.
I've never seen Groms before.
Oh, yeah, these are Fast and the Furious Groms.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
The RX-7 and the Supra.
Yep. If you look at it, that's from the first one.
Oh, my God.
Yeah. We're the only ones in the state that have these.
Are you for real?
Yeah. Yep. There's a company called the Grom Purse that makes like dirt bike graphics for these. So I reached out to him. I was like, "Hey, can you make these?" He's like, "Yeah, I can make those," and he made them, and we put them on. So they just looks cool. Like, not a lot of people kind of know what they are, but if you look at them, you'll get it. So
I've never ridden a manual motorcycle, and I kind of want to do it.
You've never ridden a motorcycle?
Never.
You want to ride?
Are you for real?
Yeah.
these are like the most least intimidating motorcycles ever. So
They're the easiest.
oh, they're so easy. Like if you can't like loop it, so you don't have to worry about like dumping it or anything.
Right.
So Mike,
I've
they're
just never ridden a motorcycle before.
so Mike,
So I'm
if
working on getting my license.
if you
Yeah,
know.
go for it.
Are you sure?
Yeah. So if. So yep. So one down is first gear. Then everything is up is the second gear. So this is your clutch and your brake. And so if you turn it on, yep, perfect. That one should be this one right here. Actually, so you're in neutral now. Cool. Yep. So if you want to like put it down in first gear, then you can just like let off the clutch a little bit, and you'll just start going.
It's cool. No worries. Oh man, this is good shenanigans content, Trav.
It takes a little bit.
I mean, I'm learning.
Yeah.
It takes time. So like if you feel comfortable, like consider taking like the MSF course.
That's what I was planning on doing.
Like that, you could literally learn how to ride a motorcycle in like 2 days. It's so easy, so it's worth it. Totally worth the money. So
No, it's fine. It's totally cool. We always get kicked out of parking garages, so like to have like a cool security guards off. Hell yeah, like hang out for a minute. So yes, there it goes. That's great.
shenanigans. Like I said, the extra spice is crime.
They're so ridiculously stupid and fun, and like this is actually a really great place to learn.
Oh, it totally is. Oh, we're going down. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we're good. We might just flip a Yui and... This guy's cool. I like this dude. This guy's fun.
Yeah.
There you go. Let's clutch a little more throttle. There you go.
Oops.
This guy's cool as shit. Oh man, these things are so much fun. We got bigger ones, but we ride these things way more often, so... Yeah.
What else you
I've got a 2015 Yamaha FZ07. So I'm like, as much fun as that bike is, I prefer riding this one over that one. Cool, let's go back up. What are we working on? Jeff?
Yeah, there it is. Was all.
Where'd you go?
The footage off my camera.
Oh, yeah. No, I got everything recorded, I hope.
Cool.
So.
Ding.
Oh no, my motorcycle got stolen. I am stuck on a rooftop in Denver.
How was that? You are totally welcome.
And you got a pretty sweet racetrack. Go for it. Yeah.
Jeff, you want to take mine?
Sure.
Are you recording?
Yes, sir. Oh. No, we're just like dicking around.
This is what we do on Friday nights. We just go to like every parking garage that we can, and most people are like, "Get out of here, get out of here." I'm like, you've been like the nicest person that's just like, whatever, you don't care. Like we're not causing any trouble. We just want to go explore parking garages.
Right in the middle of the city.
Yeah.
So it's easy to find, easy to get around.
Yep.
So I'm like, yeah, we don't want to cause any trouble or mishaps. Like, we just want to see the views of the city. That's all we want. So, but yeah, people are just kind of assholes about it. So, but I get it, Mike. You're just doing your job. I totally get it. So,
doesn't mean you can't have fun doing your job, though. So.
still learning how to do wheelies on it. So.
I don't think I'm ready for wheelies.
This is the bike to learn them on, so. So, again, you dump it, it's like, it's fine. It's at the end of the world.
Going on a shenanigans ride. That guy looks like he's having so much fun.
That guy's cool, I like that guy.
Wow.
I'm just gonna sit up here and look at views of the city.
Views of the city.
Come here to shenanigans. I go take a walk over here.
They are so much fun. They're just ridiculous fun.
That's cool.
Although I don't know how he feels about jumping curbs, but I respect him for it.
We're just totally meant to be here at this time.
Oh, that's right.
That guy's cool. I really enjoyed him.
If I just had this, like if they bought this for me to ride around on all day,
That would be such a cool job. So you should pitch that idea. It's like, hey, you guys should like buy one of these for like security reasons and stuff. Just up here doing wheelies in the parking lot. So what does he do all day long? It just does wheelies apparently. It's like, I'm patrolling. What do you want me to do? It's all wheelies. wheelies in patrol.
Right.
Oh, that'd be great.
That was right.
Recording.
I had a good time. Again, that guy looks like he's having so much fun. It's... No worries. Yeah, I think so. You're very welcome, man. It's a good, nice to meet you. And he has a YouTube channel called Need for Steve.
I have a YouTube channel called Need for Steve. Yep. So, Mike, we got a series called Shenanigans where we just ride around and do stupid shit on these things. You were, Mike. If you don't want to be on video, it's fine. So, Mike, like I said, this was just kind of a fun episode that we totally weren't expecting. So, a lot of the time it's like there's an episode that'll be out in a while where like we went through this warehouse, like there's like brand new warehouse, like there's nobody around, so we're just like, fuck it, let's just go inside and go ride around. And so like that's what we do, just do dumb shit on these things. So
yeah, you'll be on this episode. So
right on, man. What was your name?
Nick.
I'm Steve, man. Nice to meet you.
It's very good to meet you, sir.
It's been a pleasure, man.
We
will, man. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you, man. Have a good night.